a whole lot of times we find it easier to declutter the things around us, our possessions, but when it comes to digital decluttering, we find it difficult because it can take some time, you know, and then we don't want to spend so much time deleting stuff and decluttering things on our phone, on our PCs, and sometimes we hold on to documents, pictures, a whole lot. Okay, so today I'm going to be taking you through my steps of how you can declutter your laptop. All right, in case we're meeting for the first time, my name is Mills UE and you're welcome to my channel, man. On this channel I make contents that will help you become the best version of yourself. So if you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button and also like this video, guys, because it helps every single time you guys do that. All right, so without further ado, let's jump into the video, guys. The first step you can take to decluttering your laptop is to remove unwanted folders or files or even icons from your home screen. For me, this is how I started decluttering my laptop, and this is why I put it in the first thing. For me, I don't like a whole lot of clutter being on my home screen. Okay, seeing a whole lot of icons, a whole lot of folders. For me, I just prefer the wallpaper and just a little bit of icons and folders that are necessary, maybe shortcuts I would want there, not just apps that will automatically install their shortcuts of my system. Okay, once you do this, you'll be able to eliminate distractions, because this tends to distract you easily when you're on your system, when you're planning to do something on your PC. And the second one is this: turn off notifications on your laptop. Okay, you see, it's easier to turn off notifications on our phones than our laptops, and I feel like this is because we don't really see it as anything, because we're always on our phones than our laptops. But for me, turning off notifications on my laptop was a win-win for me, because it helped me eliminate unnecessary things I don't want to get. I turned off a whole lot of notifications on my system, notifications from sites, notifications from some apps that are unnecessary. This can be very distracting when you're about to work on your system, especially when you always have your system connected to the internet. It can be so distracting. So when you turn off notifications on your PC, you can be able to concentrate on the more important things that you actually want to accomplish right now. But when you have a whole lot of notifications flowing in, you can easily get distracted. Maybe you want to upload a YouTube video and then you just end up clicking on another YouTube video going somewhere without you even knowing. That is what unnecessary notifications can easily do to you without you even knowing. The next tip to decluttering your laptop is this: unsubscribing from unwanted and unnecessary email newsletters. Okay, this also happens when you're using your phone. For me, I hate unnecessary emails. Sometimes you might subscribe to some email newsletters thinking that this will be of value to us, you know, all those adverts on YouTube, all those courses. Along the way, you just realize that this is just a way for them to buy into your email, to always send you their courses and everything they want to sell. All right, and this can be very disturbing, guys. It makes you to always come to your email and every morning you'll be clicking delete. Instead of always deleting emails that are unnecessary, why not unsubscribe from those email newsletters? Okay, and we find this difficult to do because we don't want to spend some time on subscribing, but this can really be helpful if you try it out. Just bring out a day, sit down and go through your email list, go through some emails that you don't need anymore and unsubscribe to them, and that would be the end of a whole lot of clutter on your email. Now the next one is this: decluttering your movies. I find this one very difficult because I love to keep movies that I've already seen. When you come to my laptop, you will see a whole lot of movies: 2017 movies, 2018 movies, 2019 movies, and then 2020 movies. And it was just recently I thought about it. I was like, I don't even see these movies anymore, so why do I still keep these things? And what you actually realize is that these movies take a whole lot of space on your PC. So if you can take some time and declutter the movies that you've seen before, just tell yourself the truth, you're not gonna see them again. I know that a lot of people, not a lot of people though, like to see old movies, but you can't see all the old movies. So take some time and declutter the movies that you've seen before, and then it will help you free space, and it will help you take away some clutter from your system as well. Alright, so that leads us to the next one, decluttering old pictures. Okay, because we use smartphones these days, we can take like hundreds of the same pictures, you know. And this will make you have a whole lot of pictures that look the same, but for some reasons we like holding on to these pictures, we like holding on to this. I love holding on to memories. I find it difficult to let go of some things, but this is how I do it. When you want to declutter pictures from your PC, go through the pictures you have and make sure you don't have the same picture twice or 3 times. Okay, this will help you eliminate the unnecessary ones. If there are pictures you want to still keep as a memory, just make sure it doesn't appear more than twice or 3 times. Alright, so guys, the next one is to store your most important files or folders on an external drive or on the cloud. Okay, what this helps you do is this: whenever your system crashes, you don't get to cry over some files, because when you have an external drive, it's always retrievable, or when you've stored it on the cloud, it's retrievable anytime. And when you store things on the cloud, you can help create a whole lot of space on your system, because you don't have to worry about losing the folder or file on your computer. You can always retrieve it anytime you want it. Okay, that is what storing things on external drives and on the cloud do for us. Okay, this has helped me a lot on this journey of decluttering my laptop. Alright, let's move on to the next tip, guys. The next tip I have for you guys is to organize and delete files on your computer. Most of the time we don't pay attention to our files, and we just move things here and there. Okay, we move movies into some picture files. Okay, but when you get to organize your file, it helps you a whole lot. It helps your system stay organized, and it will help you find what you're looking for faster. It will actually make you work more efficiently, because you know where a particular file you're looking for is. When you're able to organize your file, you're going to find a whole lot of files you don't need anymore. And what do you have to do? You just have to delete them, and this will help you free up space. And not only does it help you free up space, it actually helps you know the things that you need and the things that are important. That is the whole essence of minimalism. That is how you can actually apply minimalism to your digital life. So guys, the next one is to go through your downloads. Okay, a whole lot of times our downloads can take a whole lot of space on our computer, but we don't even know. Okay, go through your downloads and keep the things you want to keep on your computer and delete the rest. Okay, this will help you free up space as well. You would be shocked and you will be amazed at the amount of space that your downloads is eating up. So what I'll suggest, guys, is to go through your downloads, and it will help eliminate the junk on your computer. Just a quick one: if you're enjoying this video, please click that like button, because it actually helps every single time you do that. Let's move on to the final one. Alright, so this final tip kills every tip I've mentioned here, and this helps you to actually make the things you've applied permanent, which is to delete everything on your recycle bin. Okay, always clear your recycle bin. Okay, so now you've cleared some files, now you've deleted some files, now you've cleared some downloads, now you've decluttered the things that are not necessary on your system. Now go ahead and make it permanent. So go clear your recycle bin, and I'm pretty sure that the tips I've mentioned will be of help to you. Alright, I really do appreciate you for watching this video to the end. It means a whole lot to me, and I'm going to be doing some other videos on how to declutter your phone. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.